can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
What are we doing?
Well, you're getting us coffees at McDonald's.
Yeah.
Hello, we're going to the boat.
Yeah. I think they're coming. No, they're not. Look what I'm wearing. Yeah.
Project Bluey. It's a Project Bluey. I'm quite looking forward to doing the welding. Sort of like big Lego kind of.
Big Lego, yeah. All right.
Get our overalls on. Bosh these on.
It's looking good in here, isn't it?
What I like about this room is it's the only room that's actually waterproof. Grab some gloves.
When we get to the boat, first thing we do is we hook up the electrics.
Yeah. Once the electric's plugged in, we then take a photo of which line it's on. So it's on line 5. Once we've finished doing work for the day, we'll then take another photo of this so that we know how much energy we've used so that we can pay our landlord. For now, we're just going to focus on the inside, I think. All right, should we get on with some work?
Yeah.
Great.
Good.
We have a plan this afternoon of finishing off the strip out of this area, which is the bridge area of Bluey. We need to take out the hatch here, prepping for repainting the inside of this. We just got to clear out all this nonsense first.
So there's a guy at the bottom of this propeller. It's a very dangerous job, I think.
We decided to take this wall out. The chain here for the steering, a cable pulley system. So there's no tension there. It's in weight, so we're going to take this out. We didn't get crazy far with this, but we're getting there. But we've run out of time today, so we're going to have to come back tomorrow. How are you feeling, Mariah?
I am feeling extremely tired.
You look like a lion.
You too.
You look
I feel like it's
you look
burning
very
all
tanned.
around.
Very tanned or very dirty. Good day.
Like physically, I'm just
Really getting there. We'll soon be able to start taking painting seriously, won't we? Yeah, we're doing well. All right, Bluey looking good. Yep.
So.
Should we go home?
Yeah. Working on
I
this
do
boat.
love this space that
Yeah.
we're in the front of the boat. It's very
Cozy.
cozy. Yeah, it's like a cocoon.
Yeah.
This bulkhead wall has to come out. From a safety perspective, you need a bulkhead because if something crashes into the front of you or you crash into something and you punch a hole in the boat like Titanic, the boat's going to sink. However, if you look down there, there's a massive hole in the bottom of this bulkhead wall. At the moment, it's not even fulfilling that purpose. Treat all the metal in here and then we can decide what to do to make it safe towards the end of the project. Good. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling t-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.